Okay, good morning,
Morning,
Mr.
Raf.
Arnab. Welcome to our course. Yeah, today is your speaking test, especially for IELTS test.
Yes,
Are you ready?
Inshallah ready.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah, in the part one, I would like ask about your personal details or your personal experience.
Okay.
For the first questions, do you currently live in the city or in the rural area?
I live in big city, more correctly in Semarang City. If you know Semarang, there are two Semarangs. The first is Semarang City, and the second is Semarang Regency, or usually we call it Semarang Kabupaten.
Yes.
I live in Semarang City, known as Lumpia City, but uh, but in my opinion, besides the lumpia, Semarang are famous with their hot weather there.
Yes.
That. Okay,
Okay, so and then what do you like the most about where you live?
I like Semarang because Semarang as the largest city in the Central Java province, Semarang has many tourism places. From the beaches, you can go to Marina Beach. After that, if you want to visit mall, you can visit the newest mall in Semarang. It's called Mall 23. After that, the iconic the iconic place is Sampokong Temple, the center of city of Semarang. After that, you can go to Simpang Lima Field. This in center of Semarang too. And yeah, and for your information, Semarang has two grand mosques because Semarang is capital city of Central Java. You can go. The first is MAJT, Masjid Agung Jawa Tengah. Yes, this is the capital city. Yes, grand mosque. After that, the second is Masjid Agung Semarang, Kauman Semarang. Like that. Okay.
Okay, so has your hometown changed much since you were a child?
Actually, I was not born in Semarang, but I was born in Surabaya. Uh, so, what cities are famous, right? Equally famous, but I prefer in Semarang because when I was living in Surabaya, the tourist destination is they were parks, many parks, and many malls. So I just bored lah to visit to place in this and in Surabaya like that.
Okay, so and then would you prefer to live in the city or in the countryside in the future?
Maybe I will choose to stay in city while I do my bachelorhood. Yeah, because I think that if I stay in city, I can easier to find a job
Okay.
that will pay me well lah, like that. But line with my wish, when I get married and have children, I will choose to stay in I will choose to stay in countryside. Yeah, maybe countryside, and I will start my start my slow living lah, like that. Maybe in Yogyakarta.
Okay. Okay, so thank you. That is the end of the part one. So now we come to the part two. In the part two, your task is you should describe about your hometown out or a place you know well. Okay, you can choose one of them, and then I will give you one paper and 1 minute to prepare. Okay, please.
Okay.
Okay, time is up for preparations.
Okay.
Now you have 3 until 4 minutes to talk. Please, you can start now.
Okay, so maybe I will explain about the town that I have stayed there. Okay, as I said before, I I was born in Surabaya and lived there maybe about 10 years. So I know lah about Surabaya. Okay, Surabaya. As I know in Surabaya, there there is hot weather in Surabaya. Nah, but if I compare about the hot weather between Surabaya and Semarang, maybe Semarang will hotter than Surabaya. But that Surabaya too is a modern city, as I said before. In Surabaya, you can find many malls. For example, there is Tunjungan Malls. There is 6 building lah for that Tunjungan Mall. So it is become the biggest mall in Surabaya too. After that, in Surabaya, minimum tourism destination. Maybe the tourism. Yeah, I have one my favorite destination, and I must visit when I'm in Surabaya. It's called Tunjungan Street. Nah, so I will explain to you about the Tunjungan Street. Tunjungan Street. In Tunjungan Street, you can find many coffee shop. You can find many coffee shop, accessories store, and many more. So you will find many young people and even its family, like that lah in Surabaya. After that, Surabaya too have the second biggest mosque in Surabaya in Indonesia. It's called Al Akbar Mosque. Okay. After that, the second place I have stay there is Semarang. So yeah, as I said before, Semarang is the capital city of Central Java and the largest city in Central Java too. After that, in Semarang has the unique food. There is lumpia and tahu bakso. Or the special food, yes, I like in Semarang is nasi goreng babat. Yes, that's come from Semarang too. You can try it lah. I recommend it to you to try it. You just that.
Okay, so thank you, yeah, Mas, for
Yes.
the answer. And that is the end of the part 2. Today we only have part 1 and part 2. We don't do for the part 3. Part 3 will be in the next sections. Okay, thank you for today and thank you for coming.
Thank
See
you.
Have a nice day.